mienu na mbese meka ho asem baako ye the majority leader ye in a free ho as they say all call lands local government and then religious affairs chieftaincy and religious affairs and baako so ye local government na ono so ya reshuffle no de ne call works and housing for obeti say Kenneth there baby a connect said the odi amoku aye nkwan ni die mu anu akọ because some time past no a deputy defense minister, but you see atwema kwan homa am so mu bibi special about defense ministry won say omanya two deputy defense ministers in two different administration and as you see omanya substantive defense minister one constituency I think say was say yehwe pa something about them. It means say omo wo bibi stronko na omo timi so ye bibi stronko say the same ministry no e hye omo nsa. So congratulations to Atwema Kwahoma constituency. Omo eji omo din wo kwan bi so wo Ghana politics mu and I think say e was say omo kura mu yie na omo so etimi ko omo ni mo sa kwan so.
Nti enei
e na say John e na obi bu say me say ebia sipen say minister any deputy every the same region in the previous administration yenya KT Hammond and Stephen Amwa trade and industry baako ye substantive baako a deputy nemom menkai I stand corrected menkai say under the Fourth Republic yenya and Ministry of Defense yenya both the substantive and the deputy from one region. I stand corrected. Me memory no enkai me de ba say obi so ewo sa records na obetimi dia aba na no so yesua na yakoye nim. Say defense ministry yenya main minister no ene the deputy no from the same region no. But currently,
and the interior ministry crowns also no.
Yes,
the interior minister is also from
the region.
Yeah,
and the two most sensitive ministries, you know, Omunya from Ashanti region.
Yes.
So John, it tells you something.
Yes,
it tells you, say, NDC. Jumedi almost yes to get 50% in the Ashanti region in Chemopeno, Omeniabre. Because these are two sensitive ministries. In fact. Omuna se Ghana nkwa eko. Omuna se Ghana mwa ebo. You have the interior ministry here. You have the defense ministry here. 2 years to elections. Mutaka Mubarak. Okay. And now defense minister Kenneth Atwema Kwahoma free. Mutaka free. Asanwase. Deputy Efi Swami. Interesting. So John say na de na koyo. Wo free e yakoye triangular. Anka ba ko be bom abatun say yentimi nya ba ko ma ne be bom. But Aswasini Swamini Twede ana Twedeni no maba. So e kosa
so wait my join it from how to Aswasi.
Yes, so to join it. We are to connect. So a triangular. A triangular. What me connect it? So a triangular. So a triangular. Thank you.
I see.
It is a John. It tells you something. Now